Oya, zoom in. Which of these products is original and which of this product is fake? This is lemon fresh lotion carrot from Topsy. This is also lemon fresh lotion carrot from Topsy. Which of these products is original? Which of these products is fake? Let's find out in this video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In less than 4 minutes, I'll be spilling the tea on these two identical products, lemon fresh lotion. I have reviewed this product before and I've answered a lot of questions. So today's video is an answer to somebody else's question. This was the question the person asked me. How can you identify between the fake product and the original product? This is another product that I have found that looks like this product. This product is, as you can see, is lemon fresh lotion carrot from Topsy. So if you are going by the words, you'll probably be confused as to, is this product the original one or is it fake? At the end of this video, you'll be able to know which of this product is fake and which of this actually original. So let's get right into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary. I talk about everything beauty. On this channel, you find everything you're looking for, from makeup tips, skincare products, hair care tips on this channel. So if this is what you're looking for, kindly subscribe, like and comment, and stick around as we are going to be doing a lot of beauty things on this channel. Let's start from the packaging. This is the two packaging. This packaging is for this one, and most of us are actually familiar with this. This was the packaging I reviewed the last time in my previous video. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to leave it at the end of this video. You can know where we are coming from for this review. So this is the packaging of this product and this is how this one came. I got this product for 2,500 naira in a supermarket, and this I got for 4,500 naira, and that is in 2025, May 2025. Well, this is not enough to judge whether this product is fake or not. So let's continue. Another most important thing to look out for in a situation like this is the ingredients. The ingredients on this product are quite different. And in one of my videos, I have mentioned active ingredients that you should avoid in your product. If you do not want to bleach your skin, but you have a fair skin and you want to maintain it, such as hydroquinone. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description. You can go ahead and watch it. It's actually packed with information you need about these active ingredients and their side effects. Now, hydroquinone is not in any of these products, any of these two products. In fact, this one said you should not mix this product with any product that contains hydroquinone. However, in this product, there is glutathione, which is also used as a skin lightening agent. I don't know, it's not as strong as hydroquinone, but it also whitens the skin. We can see that the ingredients of this product are very quite different. This one did not give us everything, tell us everything about their ingredients, because they put etc, and I found that very not nice. At least these ones do not have anything like etc. The etc gave us some kind of, there is something that is not there that should be there, or there's something you are not telling us. Yeah, that kind of thing. So it's kind of giving that vibe. Now, another thing I want to tell you about this product is the odor, the fragrance. I mean, I like the lemon fresh odor because it's fresh, it's unique, I don't know, there's just something very nice about this product. But when I checked this one and I smelled it, the smell, the fragrance or odor, whatever, is very repelling. You know, all those bleaching creams that when you buy and you cream your body and you start to have like body odor, it's very strong. It has a very strong smell. This product has a very strong smell, and that's Mm-mm. The effectiveness of this product, I don't know, guys. I came to ask you guys if I should try this product because I did not even bother to try it. Now, what made me buy this product was because the specific place I used to buy this one, that specific shelf where they used to put this product is where they put this product, and I saw lemon fresh carrot lotion, and I was like, okay, maybe these people changed their packaging. Honestly, that was what I thought. I said, okay, let me get it. Only for me to start doing this research, and I saw that another thing that I checked is the barcode. Barcode is very important because that is where what to show that okay, these people, this is where they are coming from. Now I'm going to show you what I saw while I was doing this, the checkup for the barcode. Also, I reached out to Amos Best Group, are the people that are producing this, the brand this brand is under, and I checked their website and I saw that this, even this product is not there, not stock of this. So I messaged them, I sent them a message hoping that they are going to reply me why we do not have this product on their website. Does that mean we have been, using fake, or does that mean that this product is no longer under Emos Best Group? So what you want to do when checking for barcode like this is to use your QR scanner and just place it on that code that is usually on the packaging. So I did for the first one. It took me to product that looks like the one we are used to, lemon fresh lotion we are used to. And I did the second one. It says it doesn't match any document, but actually it was supposed to take me to their website. That is for the first one, but since their website is not looking like it is active, I think that's why I have that. But the second one did not match any result at all, so it looks like the barcode does not even exist in the first place. So guys, I really want you to tell me in the comment section if I should go ahead and try this product, and if you love to hear a review from there. And if you also have any question, you can put it in the comment section. I will make sure to respond to them with a video like this or immediately with text. And here is the first of the day. So with this few points of mine, I know that you'll be able to decide for yourself which of this product is fake and which is original. But I have told you the ones I'm used to. And guys, I will see you in my next one. Let me know if there is any product you want me to review. Let me know if there is a particular video you want me to make. I'm here to serve you. I love you. Bye.